Hello, Logan Lyons. It's Mr. Bell again. And yes, we're continuing this series of um, cutting shapes. That is. So let's discover what shape we're gonna cut today. Okay, so let's discover what shape we're gonna focus on today as far as our cutting. Oh, this word right here is called rectangle. 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 What's a rectangle? A plane figure with four straight sides and four right angles, especially one with unequal adjacent sides in contrast to a square. So they said a square, which is this one. And they also, but we're talking about a rectangle. So do they look the same? Maybe. Let me see. Both of them have possess the same qualities. They have four sides. Let's count. One, two, three, four. Four sides. Yep. One, two, three, four. They also have four angles. The angles are the points. One, two, three, four. Four angles. A square also has four angles. One, two, three, four. But there is a slight difference between a rectangle and a square. It's the fact that the sides, the shape, the length of the sides are different between the rectangle and square. A square has four equal sides, while a rectangle has two long sides and two short sides. Okay? As you can see, if you turn it, you can see the difference in the sides. They're not all equal. Two sides are short, and then other two sides are long. So that's the difference between a rectangle and a square. Write our word rectangle down here in these lines I made here. So first of all, we're going to hold our pencil correctly. I pick my pencil up, I put it in my hand, my thumb goes around near the point while the other two fingers hold it. You see, this is how you hold a pencil. You got two fingers here and you got a thumb on this side. And the difference between holding the scissors and holding the pencil, your thumb kind of goes on the side or the bottom while your two fingers at the top guiding it. The thumb more supports it while your fingers, well, they all support, but you know, there's the placement of a pencil is the thumb is usually on the side or the bottom, two fingers on top. Let's get started writing our word rectangle. So this letter R, so you draw a line down and you pull up and you curve it over just at the top. R, rectangle. Next letter is E. So draw a line out to your right. This is your right hand, this is your left hand. Right hand. And then you curve it over and are on around and underneath to make a hook for the E. Then the next letter is C. A C is simply a curve that both stop to the right. Then the next letter is T. Very simple. Draw a line up above the dotted line and then draw a little line across for your lowercase c, T. And then there's A. Make a bubble below the dots and then draw a line on the right. Not the left, the right. This is right hand. Next letter is N. Draw a line down under the dots and then curve, make a bridge over, touching the bottom. And then the next letter is G. Make a bubble all the way around and you're going to drag your hook down and underneath the hook points to the left. Letter L. Draw the letter, just a line down. And then the last one is E, just like we made this one. You pull a line out to your right, then hook it over, go around and under, and make your hook point at the bottom. And there's the word rectangle, R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E. Rectangle. Now that I have my shape traced out, using the envelope. Now we're going to go into our cutting our shape out. And then remember, this is the scissors that we used before. And how do we use the scissors? The small hole at the top is for your thumb, while the larger hole or opening at the bottom is where your fingers go. So your thumb goes at the top, your fingers go at the bottom. How do we begin to cut? We find an area of the paper where we want to start. So I'm going to start from right here. And how do we start? We open our scissors and we close our scissors by cutting down. It's all in the thumb, remember? So here we go. We're going to close our thumb and close the scissors and cut. Open up, move up, and cut again. Close scissors, go down. Open up scissors, move up, and cut again. Go down, open up, move up. Cut down, open up, move up. Cut down, open up, move up, and I'm still on the line. Cut down, open up, move up. Cut down, open up. Now, when I get to the end of the corner, I'm going to turn my paper. That's how we continue to stay on the shape. We have to turn our paper, okay? So here we go again. My scissors, I open up with my thumb. Open up, close scissors, scissors cut, open up, move up. Close down, cut, open up, move up. Cut down, open up, move up. And all I need is a little snip here. Right there, stop. Turn my paper with my other hand. Hold it in place. I'm holding my paper while I turn it. Now, I got it in place again, and I'm going to cut down, open up, move up, 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 cut down, open, move up, cut down, open, move up, cut down, all the way to that point. I stop, I turn my paper again, reposition it. Now we're on the final stretch. Here we go. Open my scissors. Now I get on the line, I cut down, open up, move up, cut down, open up, move up, cut down, open up, and one more snip to go. And we're finished. Whoop. And what shape we have here? A rectangle. Woo-hoo! We did it.